for your PhD career. The two essentials that one must follow to make their life easy. One is organizing your PhD content and where to organize this. Second, organizing your preparatory work. So just getting into the first one, that is your organizing your content, PhD content. I would always prefer to maintain this PhD storage into a cloud-based memory storage, which is either a Dropbox or a Google Drive, any cloud-based memory system. The reason I say this is because, the first year is fine, but by the end of 4 or 5 years, you really, cannot rely on your computer. Sometimes your computer can break down or you can lose your computer. This literally happened with my father, where he lost his work, his PhD work, at the fag end of his completion. And he had to redo a lot of stuff. So, which is why I started storing most of my work on the Dropbox. I'll just show you how I actually maintain this storage. All right. So this is how my Dropbox is. And then I've always prioritized which are the folders that I really want. And when I actually also store the research work of others, I maintain this method of naming, the nomenclature of naming, such as the year name first, and then the author's name, and then the name of the publication. This literally helps you easily search for a document. Then, because by the end of 5 years or 4 years, you really don't know where you have stored most of your content. So it's always good to save them clearly and cleanly. This is one way of looking at it. The second point, which I was talking about, is seeing the organizing your preparatory work. So for the preparatory work, I would always suggest that keep your notes digital. The reason I say this is because, say now I have attended a lot of coursework and I want to maintain a lot of work. And now when I write these notes on the paper and then I misplace them, I don't know where I keep them. So having these notes handy, digital, everywhere you go, you need not carry those books all the time together with you. So I feel like having these lecture notes actually be written something like this, it's really helpful. It's in one go at every device. And again, this is all cloud-based, so you can retrieve it from wherever you want. So I totally prefer having my lecture notes also being digitally available to me at all points of time. These two have come really handy, at least in the first year of my PhD work. So I really have benefited a lot from it. Maybe you also can benefit it. Thanks for watching. Bye.